Good afternoon, warriors, brothers and sisters. Again, this is my second installment, maybe my third, just piggybacking off of my first two videos. Here I'm going to concentrate more on first aid kits, type of weapons we should have. Definitely, I forgot to talk about water source. This is a stainless steel canteen, which is good for boiling water or carrying water. So let's start from this side here. Again, we talked about the Bayo phone communication radios and also the Motorola's, very good, high quality two-way radios. Again, we talked about rain gear, ponchos, having water. This is a charger that works. You charge it and you probably can get a lot of use out of this as far as charging your cell phones or whatever have you. Again, we talked about small protein, small energy, which are the banana chips and meat. This is the kit I talked about by the company Stealth Angel yesterday, which I thought was a good company. And, you know, you have your tactical pins, your punchers, your flint, fire starter. We talked about we have to have surgical scissors. It's always good to have that in your kit. And flashlights are a must. You never can have too many flashlights. They're a must. This right here is also a stun gun and flashlight. Again, some two-way binoculars that you can have. More flashlights, of course. It's good to have a shovel. This is a collapsible shovel. Very good to have. You just unscrew it and collapse and goes into this small bag right there. These are all bracelets, but all made out of 550 cord, so that can come in useful. Razors, good pocket knives as a must. This is a nice defensive knife if you have any type of things that you might have to eliminate. This is a good knife. It's an excellent knife. I also have out the front knives. Out the front, which means they come out and retract. Very important first aid kits that have everything you need to maybe bandage the wound or stop a bleeding, gauze. These are aqua tabs where you can drop one of these in your water and maybe sanitize your water where it's somewhat drinkable. Hand sanitizer is a must. Again, I have 2 or 3 first aid kits. One goes in each car. One for my wife and one for me. Again, we talked about the Patriot meals, just to have on deck for anything nutritious that you need. So this is another overview of what I have in my Bugout kits, and this also is in the back in another bag, this is my wife's bag that is prepared for her, and everything in here is in her bag. So again, just preparedness, to have something to be able to rely on if you get caught up in an emergency or self-defense or anything that you need to get out of that situation. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more videos.